In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture anything from the web directly into Notion using Save to Notion. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to capture anything from the web directly into Notion using Save to Notion, a simple extension that turns web pages, images, and snippets of text into organized notes inside your workspace. First, install the Save to Notion browser extension from the Chrome Web Store or from your browser's extension store if you're not using Chrome. Take a moment to review the permissions so you know what it can access, then add it to your browser. For quick access later, pin the extension icon to your toolbar so it's always one click away. Next, open the extension and sign in with your Notion account. A small window will guide you through authentication. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're connecting the one where you want to store your clips. This ensures that everything you save lands in the right place. Now choose the Notion page or database where you want your content to go. A database is great if you plan to categorize things with properties like tags, status, or categories, while a regular page works fine if you just want a simple collection. If your database has properties, you'll see fields appear in the extension so you can fill them out as you save. With that set, head to any web page, image, or text you want to capture. You can clip a whole page for reference, or highlight a specific paragraph if you only need a key quote. When you're ready, click the Save to Notion icon in your browser. The extension window will pop up with your chosen destination. Select the page or database you want to send it to, then add any optional tags, notes, or categories. Tags help you filter later, and a short note can capture why you saved it or what to do next. Keeping tags consistent will make your database easier to search over time. When everything looks good, click Save. Your content will appear in the selected Notion page or database almost instantly. If you open Notion, you'll see the new entry with the title, link, and any notes or properties you entered. From there, you can add more details, move it to another page, or include it in a workflow. And that's how to capture anything with Save to Notion. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.